in line with the whole sales process is understand the pain. You know, what is the pain that the corporate has or is likely to have? Because it's not necessarily what the corporate is wanting now, it is what they are wanting in 5 years, even 10 years' time. Look at what the possible pain points could be for those corporates. Listen to the corporates when you get in front of them, when you see them, understand what they're saying and what their requirements are. What do they really want? And actually, you might just want to walk away. You might say, well, actually, this isn't a fit. And that saved everybody time and effort. If they say they're not interested, though, why? What's the deal? It may be nothing to do with your technology. It may be nothing to do with your business plan. It may be simply that the timing is wrong. It may be that they find it difficult to deal with a company of your size. There could be a lot of reasons, but find the reasons. Because even if you don't progress with that corporate, it will give you a lot of understanding of how to deal with the next one. Just because you know a great guy within the corporate and it's all going well, that's not it. Network with other people, network with other departments, ask for introductions. And of course, this is all about more than money. Don't just say, you know, when am I going to get the order? When are you going to invest in the company? There are 101 other things that these major corporates can bring to the party, which you must be aware of. So listen for those signs. An introduction here, a new market that they're opening, a new managing director been appointed in this area, opening a new production plant, which may mean that you can get in and your product can be used in that new plant and become part of their new way of working, part of their operations. So be aware of all this stuff. Sometimes, I mean oftentimes, in corporates people change roles. They're moved on, they change, etc. You've built that relationship, you've built the trust, and then suddenly people move. That can really bring everything to a dead stop, which is why it's so important to have rapport, develop rapport with other people. You want multiple points of failure, right? You don't just want to put all your trust and all your relationships and everything with that one person, no matter how important they are. You need those other opportunities. IP. Whose is it? Who will own it? Who can use it, etc. Make sure you're protected, but at the same time, make sure they know you're protected and everybody is in agreement what the situation was. But then, of course, in all cases, there's the opposite side to that. Don't get paranoid. It is a partnership, and you need to act like that. Don't be too secretive, but do set clear rules of engagement. Who does what, who can use what, and to what purpose. You're small, you're quick, you're clever, you've got new stuff. Don't overplay that. Be businesslike. Understand how a corporate thinks and works. Work with them in their language, with their methods. You can go back to your office and your company and you can be as creative and as innovative and as disruptive as you like. But don't inflict your way of working on a corporate. Timing. Earlier on their radar, earlier engagement with them means results happen. But it is slow. Please get used to the idea that, you know, a corporate clock ticks at a different rate to an SME clock, and certainly ticks at a different rate to the rate you would like it to tick. Lots of corporates out there, lots of opportunities, spread your bets. It's very sensible to choose a corporate for each of your particular requirements. If you can have different flavors of your product or different geographies that you want to put your product into, choose different corporates to engage with for those different places. But do work with options. If it goes wrong, get the hell out. Move, change. Thank you, it's been really great. Let's move on. If you're deviating from what you thought you wanted and you're being pulled on a different path, on a different thing, again, stop, tell them what's happening. If it can't change, get out.